Canvas has a way for teachers to share content with each other that they've created, or you can actually share it publicly with the world. To get there, we go ahead and click on Commons. And when you're looking at these courses here, you can actually see there's little icons right here. So this little red icon right here correlates up top. So there are quizzes in this one. This one has assignments. This one is a full-on course. Now, if I go ahead and type in my name, I've created some content just for our school. And so I have a 12-week social studies unit that I've created, my tinkering unit. I also have a SMSPE template. So other teachers in our district can grab onto this, pull it into their course, and then use it. Now say I'm going to go ahead and teach the Crucible. So I'm going to go back to the beginning here. I'm going to go ahead and type in CRUCIBLE. I hit enter. And I can go ahead and look at some different things. Well, I want kind of a full-on course on the Crucible, so I'm going to be looking kind of for that green icon or the blue icon. And here's Module 1, Colonialism and the Crucible. That sounds interesting. I'll go ahead and click on it. And it looks like one person has left a review, so that's always a good thing if someone's reviewed it already. And now these are all the assignments that that teacher has created. Now the one bad thing about Commons is that you can't actually click on that and look at it. What you have to do is you have to actually import it into your own course. So what I'm going to do is I can actually import it to any of my current courses, my live courses that I'm teaching. But I don't want to do that because I don't really know what I'm importing. So what I want to do is I want to import it into a sandbox. And it's real easy to create courses. I'll go ahead and click on Sandbox, Import into Course, and it says you have successfully started the import. And it says it may take a few minutes to see the changes. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to my dashboard. And then I'm going to go to my sandbox. Alright, I went to modules, and now I see Module 1, Colonialism and the Crucible. And now I can actually go ahead and click on each of these so I can see what this is about this module. So it talks about the overview. They actually attach the standards, which is excellent. I can go back, and let's go ahead and look at Arthur Miller, the Crucible, see what this assignment's about. Looks like there's a little video about it, a little presentation. You know, what is a crucible? And then I'll go ahead and look at one other piece. And let's look at Act 3, the study guide. And again, here's the assignment that they want the kids to do. Now, if I like this, what I can do is I can go back into the Commons, type that thing in, and then actually import it into my live course that I want to use it in.